Hey friends, if you wish to make your computer considerably faster, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure and it's going to be very easy. You don't need to worry about it. So the first one is disk cleanup. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and click on disk cleanup, select the drive and click on OK. Now check all of these boxes here, each and every one of them. Then click on OK and then click on delete files. It will start deleting the files. The next solution is to debloat your computer, and to debloat your computer, search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar, and corresponding to Windows PowerShell, click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. If a prompt appears, click on Yes. Now I have a script here. You need to copy this script and paste it in PowerShell. I have copy pasted this in the description section of this video. You can use it from there. It's in the description section of this video. So hit enter after that and it will remove all of these unnecessary apps like Microsoft People, Microsoft Maps, Microsoft OneNote, etc, etc. The next solution is to delete temporary files and prefetch and all. So press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command temp and hit enter. This will open the temporary folder. Select all of these files and hit the delete key and then click on skip. All files cannot be deleted, but a few of them will. I mean, the files which are in use will not be deleted. Now press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type %temp % and hit enter. Select any one file, press Ctrl+A and then hit the delete key and then click on skip. The last is press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type prefetch and hit enter. Now select any one file, press Ctrl+A and then hit the delete key and then click on skip. The next solution is to disable unnecessary startup apps. So search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager and expand it. In the left pane there is something called as Startup Apps. Organize it by status and then see which all are enabled. So few of these are necessary, some of them are third-party apps which are unnecessary. So right click on the unnecessary apps and select disable. These apps will not be launched as background processes on startup and they will only be launched when you specifically launch them from your computer. The next solution is to set your system for best performance. Search for performance in the Windows search bar and click adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Now as you can see, it has been adjusted according to what is best needed, not for best appearance and not for best performance. If you click on adjust for best performance, you'll notice that it does impact the appearance of your system. All these fonts are lighter and all, and if you select for best appearance, then you notice that it is way better than it was earlier. However, I suggest to uncheck a few of these unnecessary features. Okay, whatever you find is unnecessary, like I don't need to see the thumbnails. I prefer icons, so it's okay for me, but if you want them, then you can keep them. So uncheck as many as you can comfortably and then click on apply and then on OK. You'll notice a considerable difference when you do this. The next is to update all system drivers, and the best way is through Windows updates. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select check for updates and wait for it to update. The next solution will be to turn off the game mode. Now in the same menu, go to the gaming tab on the list on the left hand side. And then there's something called as game mode. This is very useful if you're playing games, but if you are not playing games on the system, then you can turn it off. If you're playing games, make sure that it's on, but if you do not play games, then turn it off. The last solution is to use hardware acceleration. Right click on the start button, use settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, click on display in the right pane, scroll down, select graphics, then click on change default graphics settings and make sure that hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is on. This switch should be on. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to this channel because we really need subscribers. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.